Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special 110 system head unit special for Mercedes-Benz SLK-Class 24 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this box. Let me unbox review. It comes with a special harness and canvas box. This head unit cable. Okay, let me show the harness first. There are two harnesses. This connect back of head unit. Connect back of head unit. Okay, this is a canvas box. Canvas decoder box for Mercedes-Benz. Okay, and this plug. You can check. Okay. And this anti-wire 12 voltage. This connect canvas box. If this harness doesn't work, please use this harness and disconnect canvas box. Connect by this connector. Okay. It comes with a remote controller with radio antenna, 2 USB cable and external microphone. The GPS antenna. This cable connect back of head unit and connect aftermarket camera. This is audio cable. It's subwoofer and video out 1 and video out 2. And this output front and rear, left and right. This is AUX input, left and right. The input and video input. Okay. Okay, this head unit. Let me check the back. You can check this dash kit. Okay, there is screws for fixing DVD player in the shapings. Okay, this GPS antenna, this power fuse, this connect for audio cable, USB cable, and other cable. This Wi-Fi antenna, a radio antenna. Okay. Let me connect power on back. Okay, radio start. Okay, this is front radio, you can check. Okay. This power and the volume button. You can check. Okay. And this home button, there SD card slot, 2 SD card slot, and this DVD player slot, built-in microphone and IR. Okay. This radio, this mute button, and this band, this mode, radio, navy, Bluetooth you can switch, this back button. Okay, this home button is next. Okay, this disc DVD, control DVD. Okay, let me back the home. Please take out this screen protector before using. A screen protector. And also our head unit built-in screen protector. Very fast response. All apps are here, you can check. And this installer, APK installer. And Bluetooth, DSP amplifier, and easy connection for mirror link. Google Maps, built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. This Z-Link app for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This YouTube. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check PX6 chip and Android 10 system. Okay. It's built in the car settings. this person settings, LED settings, you can control the button color with red, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. This driving setting, you can check this watching video. You can if you allow the watching video, you need to allow these settings. Okay. And the storage, you can check total 64 GB. 64 GB storage. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com. Okay, thank you.